Step back in time, far beyond what we call history, to the very dawn of civilization. Imagine the city of Eridu, rising from the Fertile Crescent. The air is heavy with the scent of wet clay from the riverbanks and freshly cut reeds. Above, a canopy of stars shines with an unfamiliar, brilliant intensity, a sky untouched by the glow of modern cities. This was a world both new and ancient, a place where myth and reality were one. Among the greatest mysteries from this era is a document known as the Sumerian King List. It's an ancient clay tablet, inscribed with delicate cuneiform script, that chronicles the rulers of Sumer. But this is no ordinary list of kings. It begins with a proclamation that sends shivers down the spine of history. After the kingship descended from heaven, the kingship was in Eridu. The list names 8 kings who reigned before a catastrophic event changed the world forever. Their reigns were impossibly long, stretching for tens of thousands of years. The very first king, Ululam, is said to have ruled for 28,800 years. This was the age when humanity and the divine were closely intertwined. Kingship was not a mere political office. It was a sacred duty, a gift handed down from the heavens. Imagine the great ziggurat of Eridu, a man-made mountain of clay brick, reaching towards the glittering river of the Milky Way. Priests and scribes would gather here, meticulously recording the movements of the stars, the will of the gods, and the deeds of their godlike kings. They believed they lived in a perfect, ordered world, a golden age guided by celestial wisdom. Every law, every harvest, every decision was seen as part of a divine plan, etched into the very fabric of existence. But this period of unparalleled peace and longevity was not destined to last. The Sumerian King List, after detailing the magnificent reigns of its first 8 kings, reaches a stark and terrifying conclusion. The flowing script, which for so long recorded an unbroken line of order, changes its tone. A single, ominous line marks the end of an epoch. It reads, simply, "Then the flood swept over. All that had been built, all the knowledge gathered over millennia, was consumed by a world-ending deluge. The golden age vanished beneath the waves. As the waters eventually receded, a new world began. Kingship once again descended from the heavens, but the memory of what came before was fractured, almost lost." It makes you wonder, doesn't it? Is our recorded history, stretching back a few thousand years, just one chapter in a much longer story? Are we living in just one cycle of a grand, cosmic saga of rise and fall, of creation and destruction? The tablets of Sumer offer no easy answers, only a profound and unsettling question that echoes through the ages. What other histories lie buried, waiting to be rediscovered? Thank you for watching.